Want to control your Android phone like a real hacker? Turning Wi-Fi on and off, changing volume, checking battery, all from a terminal? Let me show you how, using Termux. First, install Termux and Termux API from F-Droid or GitHub. These two apps let you access phone hardware using commands. Then type package install Termux API. I've already installed it, so it's not going to download it again. Type clear. Now type Termux Wi-Fi enable true. Give it permission, press allow. Boom! Wi-Fi turned on from the terminal. Turn Wi-Fi off. And off again, no settings app needed. Now do you want to control over the volume? Type this with me. But first, let's make the volume to 0. Now type Termux volume music 100. And it's full. Cool, isn't it? Now let's check your battery status. Type Termux battery status. Now you can check your battery life and the battery level too. And the last command, type Termux Wi-Fi connection info. See what network you're connected to with full details.